Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is once again rolling out the update for Windows Update Service Components for Windows 10 KB5001716, which they do roll out from time to time, and this update was downloaded and installed automatically onto my Windows 10 device this morning when I booted up my system on the 6th of March 2024. And the last time this update was downloaded and installed onto my system was on the 4th of October last year, 2023, KB5001716. So Microsoft does push this update out periodically for Windows 10. Now, just a quick recap regarding the update. It does do a couple of things once it's installed. And according to Microsoft, when this update is installed, Windows may attempt to download and install feature updates to your device if it is approaching or has reached the end of support for your currently installed Windows version. And something else it will do is that after the update is installed, Windows may periodically display a notification informing you of problems that may prevent Windows Update from keeping your device up to date and protected against current threats. So those are a couple of the things the update will do. And once the update is downloaded, which it will do automatically, and by the way, just on a side note, it's a very small update. It really takes a couple of seconds to install, and it doesn't require a system restart. So once all that is done, what it'll also do, if we just head back quickly to our apps and features list on Windows 10, if we scroll down here to the bottom of the installed apps list, it's also listed here under installed apps, update for Windows 10, base systems KB5001716, and as mentioned, very small, only 836 kilobytes. So a very small update that has rolled out. Now, you may have noticed though, if we head back to my update and security and my Windows Update page, that although the update is downloading and has been installed, it's generating this error. And I find this quite ironic and quite funny actually, because Microsoft says there are no known issues with this update. And there are already reports, after I noticed this morning, that are starting to do the rounds online where users cannot install this update. And you'll notice that this error is exactly the same, 0x80070643, is exactly the same error that this update, which is now the infamous update that I've been posting on, KB5003441, has been generating, and for a lot of users has been failing to install because the recovery partition hasn't been large enough. And I'll actually leave a whole playlist in the end screen of this video regarding this update. And here you can see that KB5001716, although it says successfully installed on my machine, is failing to install. So it's installed the update, but if we head back to my main Windows Update page, it keeps generating and trying to reinstall itself, although it's installed and successfully installed. So I found this quite actually amusing. So once again, the dreaded error has made itself known once again, and I did do a couple of things. I ran the update troubleshooter, I did SFC scan now, I did a whole lot of different things, and this update kept failing to install, although the first time it successfully installed on my device. So some crazy things going on here, and I found it quite funny that Microsoft is rolling this update out to basically keep your device up to date and protected, but yet this error is being generated. Now, I'll leave a playlist in the end screen of this video for a couple of things, a video in the end screen of this video on a couple of things you can try to do if you are faced with update issues. And what I would suggest with this is just ignore the update. On my device, as you can see, it's downloaded and installed successfully. And then after that, when I went back to check for updates, it says it's failing to install. So funny things going on here. And I would just ignore the update, or something else you can do, as I've mentioned previously. And I'll leave this video down below if you'd like to try and hide the update, which I actually did earlier today because I was getting quite annoyed with the update failing to install. Is you can download this little tool from Microsoft, Windows Update Show Hard, and I've posted a tutorial on how to use this tool. It's quite safe to do, and you can actually hide the update if you don't want to see it being displayed. But nonetheless, there we go. That's the update for Windows Update Service Components KB5001716, which is generating the same error as the now infamous update KB5001716, and obviously watch this space. I'll keep you guys posted if I get any more info. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.